Last box for the night. Last box for the case. Box 12, case 1. 2007 Topps Football. Got a retail case. I think it opened enough. They didn't know how to open. But 24 packs, 11 cards a pack. Probably looking at about 7 base, 1 insert, and 2 or 3 rookies. Maybe 2 inserts a pack if you get really lucky. Cards like Al Gore, Heap. Postseason highlights: Campbell, Palmer. There's a LT and Emmitt Smith. Washington, Rudy Johnson, Hall, Kolb, and Chanzi Saki rookies. Warren, Bell, Furry, Curtis, Green, London Fletcher own the game. Buckhalter, Harris, Bolds, Crowder, and DeMarcus Tyler. Urlacher, Romo, Manning, Crumpler, McGahee, Robert Meacham, Rookie Fantasy Challenge. Wayne, Scaife, Gates, Taylor, and Marshawn Lynch. Yeah, it's Revis, and then there's somebody else above him. Yep, Gonzalez. Hujmanzada, Bettis, Matthias, Johnson, Falk, Fard, number 77, a checklist. Seneca Wallace, Isaac Bruce, Alex Smith, Gonzalez, and Revis, as I mentioned. There's a format on some of these cards, you can kind of figure them out. Gore, Young, Taylor, Hester, Colston, Williams, Moss, Williams, Buster Davis, Clark Harris, and Jared Zambrowski. Rookies. Schwabel, Houston, Garrard, Green, Burris, Dillon, Schaub, Jackson, Green, Merriweather, and Darby. Rookies. Hey, gotta love that. Brady Quinn. McNair, Tomlinson, Lossman, Smith, Johnson, Bruce Matthews, Jervicius, Strahan, Willis, McCauley, and Brady Quinn. Rookies. Pope, Jordan, Hill, Jones, Turner, Shepard, checklist. Clark, Tillman, Rogers, Clayton, and McKnight. Rookies. Jackson, Miller, Adai, Moss, Dunn, Bulger, Jason Hill, Rookie Fantasy Challenge, Peppers, Dummerville, Bowe, Adams, and Michael Bush. Veterans are initiating the rookies. Miller, Bradley, Foster, Watson, Owens, Favre, 96. Young, McMichael, Popu, Brown, and Wilson. Of course, one thing I've noticed so far immediately that I'm missing are my coppers, which is why I'm busting this many, because I want my set. Cutler, Dawkins, Holt, Bernard Behrman, Williamson, Evans, postseason, Hunt, Landry, and Brandon Seiler. Hope they're all in the other half of the box. Gamble, Brooks, Sproles, Horn, Galloway, Peyton Manning, and a checklist. That'll definitely shirt me on something. Brown, Williamson, Tomlinson, Dre Stanton, and Rufus Alexander. First half of the box is now done. Caddy, Leinart, Taylor, Henderson, Roethlisberger, Walter Payton, and LaDainian Tomlinson. Hester, Fargas, Clowney, Young, and Jamarcus Russell, rookies. Barlow, Jones, Garcia, Jackson, Toomer, Gold, Williams, Anderson, Lee, Jackson, and Dallas Baker, rookies. Gonzo, Johnson, postseason, Pennington, Brown, Peyton Manning, Calvin Johnson, Rookie Fantasy Challenge. Portis, McCardell, Okoye, Walker, and Javaris Moss. You can see I'm kind of stacking things up. I've got a spreadsheet I'm keeping. If you need any of this case data, let me know. I'll give you case, blasters. I've done about it all for 07 Topps. Jones, Drew, Ogden, Kloffenstein, Robinson, Ryans, Favre, number 18. Another checklist. Ware, Price, or Peerless Price, Julius Jones, Craig Davis, and Chris Lee. Bush, Grossman, postseason, Peppers, Fitzgerald, Brandon Jacobs, Copper, finally, 106. Chris Johnson, Mornseed Moses, Chandler, and Garrett Wolf. I'm afraid I wasn't going to get him. Sapp, Parker, Pierce, Leftwich, Devin Hester own the game. Fletcher, Warner, Jacobs, Weddle, and Taylor, rookies. Bolden, Alexander, Saturday, Westbrook, Driver, to Thurman Thomas, Hall of Fame. Breeze, Green, Timmons, Davis, and a Biamiri, I believe, rookies. Hutchinson's, Brooks, Parrish, Sims, Calhoun, Welker, checklist, Taylor, Battle, Moore, Newton, and Paul Williams. But an averaging about 60 rookies a box when the rookie boxes have rookies. Taylor, Tomlinson, Muhammad, Clark, Taylor, Ernie Cronwell, 1739, Chris Henry, Witten, Smith, Spaeth, Ginn, and Rowell. Hasn't been too bad, but unfortunately these retail boxes are very much hit or miss on the bigger hits. Glenn, Lorenz, Morris, Castillo, Woodson, Justin Miller own the game. Gates, Wiggins, McNabb, Renzo Booker, and Jamal Anderson. So I'm going to get shorted something because I got that third on the game. James, Ward, Benson, Gonzalez, Romo, Favre, number 80. Palomalo, Vinatieri, Sidney Rice, Lester Ricard, and Charles Johnson. Last pack. More than likely, no inserts. Keyshawn, Hackett, Walker, Kinnison, Winfield, Hall, a checklist. Favre, Jennings, Sims, Hugo, and Gary Russell, rookies. Thanks for watching. It's iLoveFish2 at yahoo.com.